That's the typing sound test of the NovelKeys NK65 Entry Edition. I've been using the board for several weeks now and I'm really impressed with how it sounds, how it feels, and all of the features that you get for only $95, which comes out to about 400 ringgit. If you want to get into the custom mechanical keyboard scene but you don't want to put too much strain on your wallet, consider this keyboard kit. Not quite convinced? Then keep on watching this quick review on the NK65 Entry. We're gonna keep this keyboard review as brief as possible. Basically, for $95, this is an absolute steal. After all, there is a reason why this keyboard is immediately sold out the moment it is restocked. One of my favorite features of the NK65 Entry has to be the fact that it has a polycarbonate case. Sure, it doesn't feel or look quite as premium as an aluminium case, but it doesn't have the ping of aluminium cases, which makes for a more neutral and almost quieter typing experience. There is also the thick dampening material inside the keyboard, which makes for a less hollow and a lot more full typing sound. As for the stabilizers on the mod keys, I'm really quite impressed with the quality of it. According to NovelKeys, these are cherry stabilizers and it does rattle quite a bit out of the box. But once I've looped it with Krytox to a Vibrate Zero, the rattle is practically gone and you get a very solid sound when you press on it. Besides that, the NK65 also has a hot swap PCB, so you can just pull out any switches and replace them with anyone that you may like. This makes it very beginner friendly, and as with all beginners in any hobby, you will want to try as many switches as possible. With a hot swap PCB, this makes it a lot easier and less time consuming compared to a solderable PCB. All in all, for $95, the NK65 Entry is an absolutely good buy if you can get it. Granted, for that kind of money, you do need to buy switches and keycaps to complete the board, but you do get a carrying case as well as a coiled cable to go along with this keyboard. Yes, some people will argue that $95 is still a lot of money for a keyboard, but compared to a pre-built board, you get a lot more customizability with this kit and also a superior typing experience, so that's that. Anyway, that's enough talking. Let's give you guys a longer typing sound test of the NK65 Entry. Before that, like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here in X-Riff.